Okay, guys, we're going to the
You gotta
glass
be
company.
kidding
And
me.
you can see the mountains up ahead, and it's almost like a dream. It's so unreal looking as you get up here in the high mountains in Switzerland.
Oh my Lord.
You see all the little houses.
On your left is Glassi Hergiswil.
And we're going to Glassi Hergiswil. Wow, this is pretty.
Unbelievable.
As you can see, this is to get to the glass blowing factory in Switzerland. And there's lots of people out and about. Doesn't look too cold, but the sky looks almost mystical today. This is the village, and we're in Switzerland, live near Lucerne in a town called Glassi Hergiswil.
Look at that. That's all you gotta look at.
Live on the
Ingle Volkers. It's real. Holy moly.
Wow, and there's a lake. Oh, this is cool. This is Glassi Hergiswil. Wow, you can see the lake over there.
Whoa, look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh my God.
It's beautiful. Everyone should go to Switzerland once in their lifetime. I think it's prettier than Colorado.
We haven't even started yet.
I know. The mountains are magical looking, and the lake.
Look at that. Holy
Wow.
shit.